It's your girl back with another video. Don't mind my hair. It's okay. But I'm going to do a little unboxing video for y'all. So, and the reason I'm looking to the side is because I'm recording on my iPad and I don't have a camera just yet. So, I'm going to do a little unboxing for y'all. Most of the stuff is just from what I've been seeing on YouTube. So the first thing I got is this stuff. Everybody has seen this. If you haven't, where have you been? But I decided to get this because I've heard a lot of good things. All good things, all good things. So I got that. And I also got stuff to make it with. It's called the I don't know what it's called actually. But it comes with two the little silicone sponge things. It comes with two of those. Comes with the bowl, and it comes with a little spatula thing. So that's what I'll be using to make this mask with. See, it comes with a plastic bowl. It's a little dirty, but it's a little dusty. But it comes with a plastic bowl, a little spatula, and then it comes with two silicone sponge things to apply the. Oh my god, this is nice. But that's what it comes with. And then lastly, I got this thing. A little scalp massager. Got that because I've heard good things about this too. I heard it promotes promotes hair growth. What's English? And decided to get it when I got the opportunity to. But it's purple. It's not the one that vibrates. That's the one I wanted, but it's okay. But it's a scalp massager. Oh, this one nice though. Yep, washing hair is gonna be a breeze. It's a hair scalp massage shampoo brush. It's purple, has soft bristles. It doesn't vibrate like the other one's gotten, but it's fine. Just use it, massage your scalp, promotes hair growth. I recommend. But that's it. That's all I ordered. I'm excited, so be on the lookout for new videos. You're in an awkward angle, but be on the lookout for new videos, especially using this and using this. So thanks for watching.